Okay, for this style, when we're dividing with complex numbers, what we do is we multiply by the complex conjugate. So this would be negative 4 plus I, negative 4 plus I. And that's a step that you have to recognize that this is your plan when you see something of this form. I believe it's in the notes at the beginning of the exam, so that's there to remind you. But you have to know what you're looking at. So if this is a minus b, we're multiplying by a plus b. And notice in that case, or a minus bi, pardon me, and a plus bi. But so notice the a doesn't change, right? It's negative 4, it's still negative 4. The only sign that's changing is the one with the I. So from there, we'll go ahead and do the multiply. So this will go 4 times negative 4, which would be negative 16. And then this will be 4 times I, which would be plus 4I. So there's two ways to do this. There's the long way, which I'll show you right here, and then I'll show you the shortcut that is better in my mind, but not everyone's. So let me show you both. So the long way would be to literally just grind out the FOIL. So we got negative 4 times negative 4 makes positive 16. Negative 4 times I would make negative 4I. Negative I times negative 4, that makes positive 4I. And then minus and plus is going to make minus, and I times I will make I squared. From there you can cancel negative 4I plus 4I, those reduce. So then this becomes 16 and then minus the I squared. But remember, I squared is negative 1, so that's minus negative 1. So that is really 16 plus 1, which would make 17. So right here, that would be a 17. That was the hard way to do this. The easy way to do this is anytime you're multiplying conjugates, and remember that's what we're choosing to do, and this is the why we're choosing to do it, is so that this comes out a number not involving I. But when we multiply conjugates, it's always going to come out to a squared plus b squared every time. So for these ones, a squared, the a is negative 4 squared. And the b, where people mess this up, is they think the b is that I, and the b is actually the invisible one in front of the I. And so, go back to there, and actually let me get rid of that because it looks really messy. There we go. So negative 4 squared is my a squared, and then b is the 1, so plus 1 squared, and there's the exact same 16 plus 1 makes that 17. So this is much quicker if you just realize, you know, this anytime you multiply conjugate pair, it's a squared plus b squared every single time. But if you get messed up by that, you can very carefully do out the steps, be careful right there, that's where everyone messes it up, and get the exact same place. Cool, hopefully that helps.